friend of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. You need to start by accessing device's settings. Now click on Bluetooth section and click on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it. Then just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Now wait for the pop-ups to show. For the pop-up actually, and select pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the chosen one and tapping on unpair at the bottom. If you wish to connect to the same one again, just tap on it and follow all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!